of time, got the right track, baby. I was born this way. This wig is giving me, or this look is giving me Whitney Houston a la Cinderella with Brandy. It's possible, impossible. No. Hey guys, it's Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel, we do everything from hair to makeup to beauty reviews, product reviews, and pretty much all things beauty. So if you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you also have not, don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Today, we're gonna talk about my first impression of the Born This Way Jackie Aina extended collection. And yes, Jackie. You did it, girl. Ew. I'm so proud of our Aunt Jackie. She did the dang thing. It's so amazing to see women of color, number one, and also I know it shouldn't matter, but it still matters because there's not equal representation, but to see a chocolatey, deliciously beautiful, intelligent business boss woman, Auntie Jackie, doing her thing. So hopefully she will open the doors for the rest of us as well. So hopefully other companies will continue to expand their lines and show the brown girls some love. I'm going to just quickly show you guys my first impression on the day that I recorded that I first tried out the product, and then I'll come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. All right, I am starting off with the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. Excuse the dog barking in the background. Let me go close the door. Alright guys, I literally just fell out of my chair. Don't ask. So, bless my heart. Bless my heart. We're gonna do a few pumps and dab it all. Ooh, it does smell peachy and delicious. And I like to use this Koki 618 kind of kabuki-ish brush, and I always use that for my primer. I have two different foundations. I purchased Chai and I purchased Tiramisu. Looking at them, I'm thinking Tiramisu might be too dark, but maybe I can use it as a contour. And that's Chai. So they're two different colors. So we're gonna start with Chai. And hopefully that's not too dark. Let me pop her all over, just some dots here and there. And let's see what we're working with. I don't know, I think that might be too golden. What y'all think? I mean, in person it looks pretty good. On camera it looks pretty good. I'm still gonna swatch Tiramisu just so you guys can see, or just so Tiramisu and Chai. This is what I have on now, and this is what I also bought. But let's just do a contour. Let's just, for S's and giggles, we're just gonna see how it contours. Let's see. I mean, I don't really think it's dark enough. Well, it looks dark on camera, but maybe this is my summer color. Shoot. I mean, I think I could totally do a soft contour with Tiramisu. And Tiramisu actually matches my hand. And then this, again, is Chai. Next up is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I have this in Toffee. I don't think Toffee is going to be light enough for what I'm looking for. Let's see here. Has a nice doe foot applicator. It's a little on, well, the toffee-ish side. Let's see. Can you guys see? It's not as golden. I know it said deep golden. I don't know what I was thinking about. I was thinking I didn't want it to be, I guess I was thinking I didn't want it to be too light because sometimes I have flashback to be that pop palette color, so I'm definitely gonna have to go up like 2 or 3 colors. Next up, I'm going to use the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder in Translucent D. So it has a little cap. That's nice. I like that. I really like that. So I'm just gonna shake it, get some of that out of there, so you can see the color of it, and that's a waste. Last but not least, go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. One thing I noticed is that with this high-end and drugstore mascaras, I don't really start to like them until like month 2. Like the formula has to get a little bit thicker for me, and that's when I really start to be able to see a difference. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I want to say it's maybe about 1:30 or so in the afternoon. I'm going to rock this foundation all day long and yeah, just see how it wears. Around 6 o'clock, so it's been probably about 5 hours or 4 to 5 hours since I last checked in with you guys, but I just wanted to show you, let me zoom in, how my face is looking. I personally feel like it's a little shiny in this area. I did notice it's kind of settling in my smile lines. I'm looking at my viewfinder there, so just gonna pat in the middle of my face, my T-zone, which normally gets hot, and I really haven't been doing much today. I have not been outside because it's burning. Back in with you guys at the end of the night to give you my final thoughts. It is 9:17 now, so I've had the foundation on for several hours, and this is the final look. I still think it's a little shiny in the T-zone, so if you are a super oily girl, I'm not quite sure how this foundation will work for you. I will continue to wear this foundation for a few more days so I can give you guys my final thoughts, but I will have my final thoughts on the other side. I am kind of on the fence, and I'm not really sure how I feel about the foundation. This is my first time using any Too Faced product, period, like face product, besides the mascara, which I'm also wearing today. Today I'm looking in the viewfinder, I'm wearing a mixture of chai and tiramisu. Let me run down the prices of everything for you guys. So the foundation runs at $39 US dollars, and the sculpting concealer is $29. I also purchased a mini perfecting primer, which is $15, and the setting powder in translucent deep, which is $32. To wrap it up, all in all, so far my 3rd day of testing this foundation, I absolutely say wait until you can get the foundations in stores so you can get your perfect match if you are a candidate for the extended line. I absolutely love the foundation. Will I keep those 2? I'm not sure, because it's quite expensive to have 2 foundations, but I might just keep them anyway because I feel like today it looks really good. You know, maybe it's just me. Is it just me? The powder, check. Concealer, check. Foundation, check if I can find my right color. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure it's going to be extremely long. My bad. But I will catch you guys in my next one. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will be sure to answer those quickly. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.